Welcome back to another video of Redshift with Pawan. In this video, we are going to see how to install IntelliJ for free in 2026. If you have searched for IntelliJ Community Edition and you did not find it, don't get confused because you can't find it anymore. JetBrains has changed everything. Let me show you the actual way of installing IntelliJ in 2026 for free. Just as a quick context, since 2025, JetBrains has stopped giving separate installers for Community Edition and Ultimate Editions. So all you need to do is open up your browser and just type IntelliJ download, and you'll be landing right into the search results where you can find the download IntelliJ IDEA. Open this and then you can see multiple ways to download IntelliJ for Windows, and you have a .exe, .zip and .exe ARM64. I'll be showing how you can do it using .zip. You need to click on .zip and then you'll have a download started, and it'll take some time. I'll be right back with you once the download is complete. Once the download is complete, you can find the IDEA zip file available in your download section. I've copied it over to a folder where I want to extract it. So you just need to do a right click and extract all, and once you extract it, you can find a folder like this. All you need to do is open, go to bin directory, and in bin you'll have IDEA icons. There'll be two IDEA icons which are of type application, and you need to choose which one fits your system architecture. So my system runs on 64, so I open IDEA 64, and I have created a hello world project just to show you how the hello world. So this is about unzipping and just opening the IDEA and IntelliJ version. So now I've converted the hello world project to have a JDK. If you are finding it tough to install a JDK, there is another video for installing JDK. Please do watch it in the channel. I'll be adding the links of download and the easy way to install JDK in the description section below. And there you go. On a quick note, before we wrap up, the free tier gives you intelligent code completion, real-time analysis, debugging, Git integration, everything most people need. Ultimate adds things like Spring framework support, database tools, and enterprise integrations. Unless you are doing enterprise level work, the free tier is genuinely all you need. That's the complete up-to-date way to install IntelliJ IDEA in 2026. If this saved you from an outdated tutorial, hit like and subscribe. I post these no fluff setup guides regularly. See you in the next one. Thank you.